Hi, I'm Carl.
And I'm Cleo.
And today we're going to experiment on what will happen if you fill an entire microwave full of marshmallows and Peeps. We have about 200 Peeps and 4 bags of marshmallows, and we're going to try and fit them in a microwave and see what happens. You know what happens when you put 4 Peeps in a microwave. We're going to see what happens when you fill the entire microwave. Okay, so we've got a microwave.
Ew, that's gross.
Yeah, that's why we're going to... Here's the inside of our disgusting old Emerson microwave.
But now we got a new black one.
That's right. We replaced it with a new microwave, so this one's going to be a lost cause. And Cleo's going to start filling the microwave with marshmallows.
Oh, sure. I'm your little circus helper. I'm your assistant for the magic.
You are my assistant.
I'm your assistant for the magic trick. What is this, like 5,000 marshmallows?
This is going to be a lot of marshmallows.
Does it say how many it is?
No, I think they do by weight, not by count. But this is going to be 4 pounds of marshmallows.
4 pounds?
4 pounds.
So our microwave is going to weigh more than 4 pounds. Probably about 5.
Yep, we're going to have 4 pounds of marshmallows.
And 4 more pounds of Peeps.
Something like that. Okay, and Cleo is packing the last of the Peeps in.
Yeah.
Alright, so we now have a microwave full of marshmallows, snowman, gingerbread man, Peeps. Again, there is about 200 Peeps and 4 pounds of marshmallows in here. So we're going to close this guy up. And for the remainder of the experiment, my noble assistant Cleo will remain in the house because we don't know exactly what's going to happen when we set this off.
Yeah, and I'd rather it be him than me.
Exactly.
Because he's an adult. It'll hurt less. And besides, I already have a hurt finger.
Yes, you do. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to set the microwave for 2 minutes and start it. As you can see, we've got a microwave full of Peeps. We're going to try it for 3 more minutes.
Boring.
Oh.
I packed all of those into that microwave.
So, after 5 minutes of being in the microwave,
No.
seem to have nothing to show for this, except a bunch of Peeps that have not expanded nor contracted.
Just let them fall. See what the marshmallows.
Oh, okay, yeah, there, yeah, alright. Oh, hang on, let me get the garbage can. Okay, keep your hand up there, hold that.
Ew, it's sticky!
Alright, hold on.
I stuck my finger! Oh, get it off!
So we seem to have made a huge... It's just melted down. Oh, dude, this is so gross.
At least it's not stuck.
Oh, no, it's some marshmallow blobby thing.
Ew.
Poor melted snowman.
Gingerbread man. Ew, it's stuck. It's
Okay.
stuck.
Oh, that's absolutely awful how we're going to get.
It's stuck. Oh.
And this is what happens when you put a microwave full of Peeps. A little disappointing, but yeah.
It's stuck. Get it. Oh, this is sad.
Oh, dude, check that. Oh, oh, that's never gonna come off my hand. Oh man.
At least you don't have a clip of it.
Here, turn it towards the camera so we can show it off.
Oh, I think it's on my shirt.
Oh, dude, my hands. My hands.
I'm going to become a marshmallow monster forever.
Oh my god, this stuff is totally sticky. Man.
This is what happens when you listen to your dad from Texas. Look at my hands.
Alright. Don't get it on your shoes, man. You'll get us in trouble. Oh. Alright. Hang on.
Yeah, that's bad.
Oh, dude. You just totally stepped in those Peeps.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Mom's gonna kill me. Hey, why am I saying me? She's going to kill us.
Yeah.
And by us, I mean you.
Oh, dude, this stuff is